More local news. If you plan to visit the Nashville Parthenon soon, you might want to act quickly. The popular tourist destination will be closed for nearly 4 months. News 2's Sophia Radebau explains in tonight's Neighborhood News. Sophia.
Hey there, Bob. Well, Nashville is a home of the world's only exact size replica of the original Parthenon in Athens, Greece. On any given day, there are tons of visitors walking around or taking an actual tour of the attraction. But starting on March 1st, the entire Parthenon will shut down to undergo HVAC repairs to the building's temperature controls. Park officials say this is temporary, and the closure will make sure the artwork and artifacts will last much longer, since extreme temperatures can damage them over time. During the closure, people are welcome to see the outside of the Parthenon. Outside audio tours will also still be available. Now, the city hopes to have the work done by June 28th this summer. A great alternative if you still want to see the Parthenon's art collection is Cheekwood Estate and Gardens. The art will be on display there during the HVAC work. Cheekwood hopes to reopen after having significant storm damage on March 7th. Back to you guys.